So good, you can hear me now. So let's complete. Okay, question number 9. Sarah reads 2 books every month. Look at the sentence here. I have an underline under the word 2, so I'm going to use how many. And I have here S in the verb. So thank you, Yasin Majid. So the question will be here, how many, just a minute. How many books does Sarah read every month? Very good. So let's go to number 10, the last question. The dress costs 200 pounds. Here I have S in the verb and I have 200 pounds. It's a price. So I'm going to say how much does the dress cost? How much does the dress cost? So let's quickly read the choose questions. We are going to answer them questions because of the time. Planes are fastest or fast or the fastest means of transportation. Here I am comparing planes to all the other means of transportation. So I'm going to use what? Planes are fastest or fast or the fastest means of transportation. Fastest, very good, Yasin Magid. So the answer will be the fastest, very good. Planes are the fastest means of transportation. So number 2, we will, after will I put what? We will buys or we will buying or we will buy a new house next year. Where is your answer? We will, very good, well, Galaxy 8, I don't know your name, Amgad, very good Amgad, very good Yasin Magid. So she will buy a new house next year. Very good, Lureen. So now, did or will or have you have dinner with me next Friday? Here I have the word next Friday. It's a future. How can I use the future? Very good, Yasin Magid again. So I will say, will you have dinner with me next week? Why did I use the word will? Because I have next week. It's future. And then where or what or when do you like to eat your for lunch? Pizza. The answer here is pizza. Pizza is a thing. So I'm going to say, where do you like to eat or what or when? Very good, Jessie. What do you like to eat? Very good, Yusuf. Yes. What do you like to eat? Pizza. Very good, Mariam Hani. Number 5. Very good, Lureen. Sally is prettier than or the prettiest or pretty her sister. I am comparing here Sally with her sister. So I am going to say what Sally is. Where's your answer? Sally is her sister. Write it quickly, prettier than, very good. So I'm going to say Sally is prettier than her sister. Number 6, how or how old or how much do you go to school? The answer is by car. By car, it's a transportation. So I'm going to say what? Very good, Yasin Magid again. How do you go to school? By car. Very good. Yusuf Yasser, very good. Yeah. Tayyim, very good, Jessie. Where is your mother? She's what? She's angry or she's in the kitchen or she's tall? Where is your mother? I'm asking about the place here. Where? So where is your mother? She is very good, Khadija, in the kitchen. Very good, Yusuf Yasser, in the kitchen. She's in the kitchen. Very good, Yasin Majid. Adil is tired, so he will go to the exam tomorrow, or he won't, or he doesn't. Adil is tired, so he will go to the exam, or he won't go, or he doesn't. Won't, very good, Yasin, very good, Yusuf. He won't go, very good. So the tiger is faster than or faster or fastest the camel. The tiger and the camel, 2 animals only. So I'm going to say the tiger is faster or fastest or the faster than. Pay attention. The tiger is faster than, very good, Mariam Hani, faster than the camel. Next week, I go or I will go or I am going to the park. Next week, future. Very good, Salma. Very good, Yasin Magid. Very good, Tayyim. Very good, Lureen. It's a future, so I'm going to say next week, I will go. Very good. Let's complete the rewrite questions. Ahmed is 120 centimeters. Ali is 150 centimeters. I want you to use the word taller. Before you answer these questions, you must choose which one is taller, which boy is taller. Ahmed or Ali is taller. Read the numbers. Which one is taller? Yes, Ali is the taller one. Very good. So you are going to begin with Ali. You are going to begin with Ali. The answer will be Ali is taller than Ahmed. We begin with Ali because Ali is the taller one. So now, my uncle lives in a big flat. Use the word where. Very good. Basant, excellent girl. Very good. My uncle lives in a big flat. Use the word where. Where for places. So I must cross the word in a big flat and I put the word where. Where what? Let's read the question. Where does your uncle live? Where does your uncle live? So why do we use does? Because there is an S in the verb. Lives has an S here. So I must put the word does. Where does your uncle live? The next one. She helps her mother every morning. I want you to cross the word every morning and use tomorrow. So cross every morning and put tomorrow. Tomorrow, so I'm going to use will. Very good, Salma. I am going to use will because tomorrow is future. So the question will be what? Yes, she will help her mother tomorrow. I put will and I put the verb stem. Do you remember our rule? I put will and I cross the S here. I cross every morning and I cross the S. So I will say what? She will help her mother tomorrow. Where is the S? Why don't I put S here? Because I said after will, no S. After will, I put the verb stem. So now, Sarah and Rana are 10 years old. Aya is 20 years old. So Aya is what? We are comparing three girls here. Sarah, Rana, and Aya. There are three girls. Two of them is 10 years old. And number three is 20 years old. So this means Aya is A. Very good. Aya is the oldest one. Aya is the oldest one. Next month, I travel to America. Correct this sentence. Is this correct? Next month, in the future, I'm going to use I travel to America? No, I do not say bigger. When someone is old in the age, I say she is the oldest one, not the bigger. Okay? So I say she is the oldest one because I'm talking about the age now. Very good, Salma. When I use next month, I must put the word will. So the question will be next month, I will travel to America. Excellent, Rufaida. Excellent, Salma. Our last page here, my uncle will visit us tomorrow. I want you to change it into negative. Negative means, very good. Do you remember the rule? Negative means not. Again, negative means not. So how can I put not here in the future? So it will be, my uncle won't visit us tomorrow. Very good, Yasin, Magid, and Jesse. Very good. So we said, yeah, Loreen, that the answer, the negative of will is won't. Loreen, pay attention. The negative of will, won't. Or you can say will not. They are the same. So my uncle won't visit us tomorrow. Won't visit us tomorrow. Now, number 7, Laila is taller than Summer. I want you to use the word shorter, which is the opposite. Laila is taller than Summer. So how can I use the word shorter? I'm going to switch the names. I'm going to begin with Summer. Summer is shorter than Laila. Here we are saying the opposite. Very good, Salma. She helps her mother every morning. I want you to use the word tomorrow. So you are going to cross the word every morning and you are going to put tomorrow. Very good, Yasin Magid. I'm going to say will. Very good, Yasin. Very good, Salma, Yusuf. Excellent boys and girls. So I'm going to say, she will help her mother tomorrow. Why do I use will? Because I put tomorrow, so I must change it into future. And why did I cross the S? Very good, because after will, verb stem. After the verb, the helping verb, I put the verb stem. So she will help her mother tomorrow. And the next one, very good, Yusuf. Very good, Salma. Khalid stays at a big hotel every weekend. Every weekend. I want you to put the word next. Again, I want you to use the future. If I put the word next weekend, this means I must cross the word every. So again, I'm going to change it into future. Excellent girl Salma, excellent boy Yusuf Yasser, excellent girl Maryam Hani. So Khalid will stay. Again, why did I cross the S here? Again and again, after the helping verb, I put the verb stem. After will, no S. After will, verb stem. So I'm going to say Khalid will stay at a big hotel next weekend. And the last question, the cat is small, but the mouse is smaller. I want you to use the word than. How can I use the word than here? The cat is small. I am comparing between two animals again, the cat and the mouse. The cat is small, but the mouse is smaller. So which one is the smaller one? The mouse. So begin the sentence with the smaller one. Begin the sentence with the word the mouse and use than. So I'm going to say the mouse is smaller than the cat. Again, if I'm going to use the word than, very good Yusuf Yasser, very good Salma, very good Yasim, I am going to say the mouse is smaller than the cat. Okay, so now I want you to study hard, pay attention, and let's now complete. Thank you very much and goodbye. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Thank you, Taim. Thank you, goodbye, everyone. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, Rufaida. Goodbye, Doreen. Goodbye, Taim. Anytime, Mariam. Thank you, dear. Thank you, Salma. I love you too. I love you too, Salma. I love you too. Thank you, Jessie. Thank you.